Hi.
You going to the Etsy shop?
Yeah,
To the motor shop you need
Yes.
some parts.
Yeah.
You're just over here to the left after a little around, it's in the corner.
It's over there. Okay.
So it's just straight over. So you're on the
My
right
navigation
place. I
is-
thought you were on the right place.
Yeah.
That's what you're looking.
Good morning, internet. It is 6:20 in the morning, and welcome back to the channel. Because of the time, I am a little bit in a rush. I'm trying to catch the boat back to the mainland Sweden, and the boat leaves at 7. And I can check in until 20 minutes before. I have been a little bit in a rush this morning. I hope I'll make it. Which one? Which one? Not this one. Probably there. Alright, so when I came here, I'm now on Gotland in Sweden, the island. I came via Oskarshamn, but now I'm taking the boat to Nynäshamn. Hi. Good morning. 64751. To the front of lane 14?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, perfect, thank you. Oh, I made it in time. Oh, I really had to rush because this morning, well, I didn't have time for breakfast. I didn't have time to film anything. I just really had to quickly walk down to the parking lot, pick up Ronin, drive her up next to the place I was staying, load everything up, and I was like, go, go, go. Oh, a wasp. Go away. Go away. Is he gone? No, no, it's not. I'm gonna close my visor. Go away. No, no, no. Oh, it's on my helmet. No. No. Go away. Go away. Oh. It's now my handlebar. Oh. I think it's gone. Anyway, what was I saying? So I'm not taking the boat back to the same place where I came from. I'm now going more north. So I will arrive pretty close to Stockholm. And the plan for today is actually, I think Ronin needs an oil change. I have covered almost 7,000 kilometers since I got her. So my dealer recommended that I should do a oil change. So that I'm going to try to do, but I've been looking online trying to find a motorcycle shop, and it was really hard. I couldn't really find a place where I thought, okay, this looks reliable or good or open. I found one place. I sent them a message on Facebook like, hey, can I stop by? But they didn't respond, so I think I'll just go there and then see. Hi. breakfast time. We're now on board and I'm at Stieg. We are the only two motorcyclists on board. And you brought your own breakfast, which is good. I had to get some breakfast. Actually, is this the typical Swedish combination?
Yeah, you can say that.
What's this called?
It's very dark bread though.
What's the name in Swedish?
I don't know.
Dark bread. You're taking the boat to sell your bike.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell my bike.
He's riding a Honda CRF 250 now.
250, yes.
And he's going to sell it because?
I need a big one to go with the guys on further tours.
Big trips.
Big trips.
So what are you going to buy?
BMW.
GS. Nice. It's going to be a big upgrade. So this is typical Swedish. Kalles.
Kalles caviar, yeah.
Is it mayonnaise?
No, from the small egg, fish eggs.
From like caviar products. So, but
Yeah.
this is really expensive.
No,
And you put it on egg.
put us on eggs, right?
Okay, I'm going to try those. Well, enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
I'm also going to enjoy this breakfast.
Just go the first line of start. Go with it.
This one goes first.
Go with it.
Okay.
Have a nice trip. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Good luck with. I hope he's there and it will go smooth. The sail.
So if you come to Gotland, you have to.
Yeah. If I'd known you'd live there, I would stop by, but I didn't know you then. So I'm now back on mainland Sweden, and I'm going to ride to the capital, to Stockholm now, which is roughly 50 kilometers or something. Alright, I'm in Stockholm now. I believe that Stockholm has about 1 million people living here, which is roughly the same as Amsterdam. But before I am going to ride around the city center a little bit, I'm first going to eat something. Because today is a Thursday, and on Thursdays in Sweden they eat something very special. So I decided it's time that I will try that too. So that's what we're going to do first. I see a lot of these electrical mopeds. They're really cool. Alright, so it is time to eat something very typical Swedish. So every Thursday, the Swedish people, probably not all of them, but a lot of them eat pea soup with mustard and pancakes. And the whole combination, pea soup with pancakes, just sounds slightly bizarre to me. But I've been told that the pancakes with the jam, that is like the dessert. So first you have the pea soup with the mustard, and then you end with the pancakes with the jam. And people that served in the military in Sweden, they definitely know this tradition because they still do that. I believe since World War II, every Thursday, pea soup. So in Swedish, this entire dish is called ärtsoppa och pannkakor. And there are different theories on why this tradition started, and some say that it's because pea soup is very easy to prepare, and on Thursdays the maids would only work half days, so that's the reason why they made this very simple meal. And others say that it's because Catholics don't eat, or didn't used to eat meat on Friday, so then they would put it in the pea soup Loop on the Thursdays, but there are different theories. But anyway, you can still get it all over Sweden on Thursdays in different types of restaurants. So without further ado, I'm going to try it out. This has a lot of flavor. Very good. Well, that was absolutely delicious. This is a Swedish tradition that I highly approve. Let's go back to Ronin, and then I am going to ride to a motorcycle shop, which hopefully can do an oil change for me. It's about a 20 kilometer ride, so it's slightly out of town. But I just want to do that first before the afternoon is all gone. And then on the way back, I'll see if I can do some more riding through the city center here. Stockholm looks really amazing. I've never been here before, but yeah, it's just full of beautiful, beautiful buildings everywhere. A really relaxed vibe as well. So yeah, I will ride a little bit more. I'm going to stay tonight in Stockholm as well, I decided. But first let's just do what I have to do, and that is take care of Ronin. So let's go. Hi. Yeah,
The motor shop you need.
Yes.
Some parts.
Yeah.
You're just over here to the left. After a little around, it's in the corner.
Ah, it's over there. Ah, okay.
So it's just straight over. So you're on the
My
right
navigation
place. I
is-
thought you were on the right place.
Yeah.
I saw you looking
Yeah.
like this.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thanks. Wow, very nice police here. Yeah, here it is. Oh, let's see if they can do something for me. Ah, yes. Well, I just went inside and they are too busy. They cannot do the service today. But they did me a massive favor because I can come back tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, which is great because they're actually fully booked for the next 6 weeks. So I'm really glad that they will want to do it tomorrow. So yeah, I am going back into Stockholm, ride around a little bit more, and then I think I'm just going to find a place to stay tonight, for tonight, and then come back here tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. So that is the plan. I do really appreciate that from bike shops, that usually they'll give priority if you're a traveler and they know that you cannot book an appointment weeks in advance. And I'm glad to know that Sweden is not any different, and they will help you out if you're a traveler. So that's really awesome. So I am now back in Stockholm and I'm standing in front of the Riddarholm Church. And this is one of the oldest buildings here in Stockholm. It was finished in 1300. And this is quite a special place because a lot of the Swedish royal family members that passed away have been buried here in this church. Anyway, but besides the church, it's just such a cool part of town, and it is so quiet. There's just absolutely nobody around here, but really, really beautiful buildings. So, oh, I think they're going to change the guard. Look.
Honestly, up. Oh, it's post. Out. Post. Down. Out. Honestly, framåt. Out.
There they go. I really like that part of town. It's like all these houses are just stacked on top of each other. So cool. There we go, hotel and hostel. Oh la la, it is hot. Anyway, this is the room where I'll be staying tonight. Really lovely in Stockholm. I love Stockholm. It looks absolutely amazing. Really beautiful city. And yeah, I'm just really happy that tomorrow I can go for the service, small service for Ronin, have an oil change done, so that's all good. So yeah, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I'll see you in the next video.